blinders. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-aughts countertop blender is an impressive kitchen appliance that combines power, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their blending experience. With a robust 1,000-watt motor, this blender is equipped to handle a variety of tasks, from smoothies and juices to purees and crushed ice, ensuring you can create a wide range of recipes effortlessly. One of the standout features of the BL610 is its total crushing technology, which expertly crushes through ice and frozen ingredients, producing smooth and consistent textures in seconds. This is particularly valuable for users who love to create smoothies packed with frozen fruits, or for those who enjoy refreshing frozen drinks. The 72-aughts pitcher provides ample capacity for large batches, making it ideal for families or gatherings. The user interface is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a straightforward push-button control system that allows you to easily select from 4 different speeds. This lets you customize the blending process to achieve the perfect consistency for your mixtures. Additionally, the machine's BPA-free material gives you peace of mind regarding food safety, while the stainless steel blades are built to last and deliver exceptional blending power.